So as we go into San Diego round 3 or 2, depending on how you want to look at it, we're going to talk about the injury report. Obviously, these are racers that are out or in this week, depending on where they fall. And we're going to start off with Benny Bloss, who injured his tailbone in his heat in the opener. He's done. Not done, but he's out for the week. Kyle Chisholm, who had an illness, he's in. Not much to say about that. It's good. I mean, obviously, Brandon Hartraft, he's going to be out forever. He's probably going to be in every injury report, but he's out. The big news, Marvin Musquin, who is out this week, sustaining a wrist injury in a crash this week. Who knows how long? There's been no real update about what it is, how serious it is, when he'll be back. But he's going to at least miss this round, maybe more. I'm probably going to go with more. If it's a wrist, we're going to go with more. Justin Rodbell is Achilles tendon. He's still out. In the 250 side, we have Pierce Brown, who hurt his tailbone or backside. It says backside as I'm reading this in A1, but he'll be back in for San Diego. Again, another person who will always be on the injury report as out this year. Austin Faulkner, obviously his knee is grenaded, so he'll be on them all, but he'll be out. Vince Freeze is out. He's banged up. Who knows? Personally, I really couldn't care less, but I have to tell you about it. So he's out. Something about he was walking on crutches in A1, so whatever. Kyle Greason is out with a back injury. He burst his L3 vertebrae before the season, so again, another person who will be out for the most time. Carson Mumford, who recently just got his new move-up ride to the Kawasaki Green, he's out. Apparently, he'll be looking to make his return or debut, however you want to say it, on February 18th when round 2 becomes round 3 with Oakland and whatever that is going to be. David Poulet, I don't know how to say his last name, so whatever. Knee, sternum, ribs, lung, out. He had a really bad crash before the season even started, and so he'll be another one of those people. And Marshall Welton is also out from a torn ACL. So, a few people missing. Not too much, actually, when you consider the only actually new ones here are Benny Bloss and Marvin Musquin. Other than that, everyone else has either been a injury we've known about or people coming back in. So, not that big of a injury report, but obviously the big one is Marvin Musquin. You know, he finished 12th in the opener, so not exactly a contender at the moment, but comments below, you tell me. How long do you think he's going to be out? How bad do you think it is? What it is? Or whatever you want. Talk about round 3, round 2, round 1. Who do you think's going to win? Whatever you want in the comments below. Make sure to do all the fun comment thing because, it's fun. And while you're down there, subscribe, like, share, comment, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really helps me and I appreciate it very much. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.